Hi guys, now magsusundo tayo guys. Ito yung venue ng recognition rights ni Lian and Ate Queenie. Lian garnering honors, having honors, and Queenie having been awarded with high honors. So here they are guys. Yan. Yan sila. Yan yung Holiday Inn venue ng recognition rights.
Wow!
Holiday Inn. Ito ang venue. Alright. Anong masasabi nyo guys?
Wow! Very exotic.
Very exotic. Alright, and now we are going to look for a fine dining. Alright? Hindi ko alam kung saan. But let's see where can we find our
Ayaw niya ng sushi.
Lunch.
Ayaw mo liyan? Kasi pwede tayo
lunch.
sa library, sushi library.
Lunch. Where are we going guys? Here? There?
Pwede tayo sa Maki.
Here? Alright. Ito, nandito kami sa
Doon na lang tayo sa
center
Maki.
ng Riyadh City.
Mga sushi na liyan. You don't like
Hindi
liyan?
namin alam
Ay,
kung
ano
anong
naman
kakainin
doon?
namin. Sushi or maki or
O sige na dyan na tayo sa tanghalian.
steak or whatever. Alright guys.
Natin yung ano.
Lalabas tayo dito. Pwede ba tayo dito?
Can you make it higher?
Aha. Okay guys. Bye bye.